Hello everybody, it's Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? I hope everyone's alright. We might see a bag here. I actually found this on Saturday. Since it was a food market of sorts during Saturday, I found a fudge place. And I bought some fudge at least. I bought 6 kinds of flavors, which I'm going to try out. I must admit they are quite huge pieces of fudge, and going to try them out. This is just a chocolate. Does have a little bit of licorice. This one is Oreo cookie fudge, which is strange, I know. Just tastes like it. I think this might be strawberry cheesecake. Artificial. Mint chocolate. I do love mint. Of course, this is going to be my favorite. Then we have more. I think first one was just strawberry. This might be strawberry cheesecake. Yeah, this was strawberry cheesecake and was a big surprise. This is bubblegum. This one is hard. There it is. Bit harder than expected, but typical bubblegum flavor, which isn't bad, I must admit. I must admit I do like fudge quite a bit. Sorry. And let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.